With Stella 4.1.1, we've introduced a little bit more flexibility in the array input and array outputs on the interface. I'm going to start here with a fairly simple use case. This is a model that has historic input coming in daily. In this case, it's for rainfall. And then we have future values, where future values are arrayed by months ahead. And what we're going to do is look at the interface for this. And we want to put onto the interface the array input. So I will start here with array input. I'll drop it down. And then I will choose the input for future rainfall by month. And I'm going to ask for question mark in the region and for all months ahead. That will give me something that looks like this. Of course, I'd like the months to be going up and down, so I'll ask to transpose this. And then we'll see what we get is we get months going up and down, and we can input the number, the rainfall amount per month in the different elements. Just going to change the title for this. To make it a little bit easier to read. So we get something that looks like that. The array output works pretty much the same way. It's underneath the numeric display, array output. I could put it down here since I have space. And in this case, I can select future monthly runoff, for example. Again, I'll use a question mark and a star. And in this case, the default layout works well for me. And now if I go in and I present this, we can see that we have a historic period and then we have the future period, and the values we're setting for the future period change what's going on in the future. So and then we can change to different regions and see the values for different regions, and you can see the values in both the input and output devices here are updating as we move between the different regions. So that's the kind of flexibility we've introduced with the array input and array outputs on the interface. Hopefully you can find some use for it. The model itself is kind of interesting and it builds off an Excel spreadsheet, so those are both available as download for you to peruse.